today's like construction day, right? You know, we're driving around looking at houses. I mean, these videos are going to post, but this house was a complete tear down. And again, market timing is not going to be on their side on this one. Maybe it's for an end user, but I suspect it's someone that's doing something else. They're going to build a mega house here in a neighborhood that hasn't quite popped yet, and they're going to end up getting hurt. But God bless them for trying. I don't like trying new things like that. I'd rather follow people into something and leave before they do, right? Let someone go into an area, have some success, then I come along and have success along with them, and then I leave before they do, before everything goes to hell. Guys, you don't have to be a pioneer in this business. You just have to be smart when you get in and smart when you get out.